Hi all, welcome to another vlog of 2021. So मैंने अपनी कार के लिए एक न्यू एसेसरी ऑर्डर करी थी, दैट इज़ डैश कैम, which is very important these days for our car to make them more secure. And I've just received the package, so we'll open it and we'll do the unboxing in this video for you. So if you haven't subscribed till now, subscribe, like the content, comment on the content, and stay tuned for more content. And in this video, as I mentioned, we'll unbox the dash cam. So here is the box. मैंने 70 mi का the brand which I have chosen for the dash cam. It's 1080p quality dash cam. I think that's good enough for recording the videos. So let's open it. The box is opening in an Apple mobile box style. It's good. The quality of the box itself is pretty good. It's padded. So on top, as you can see, there is the dash cam itself. So cam को बाहर निकालते हैं and we'll see इस box पे और क्या क्या है. So this is the actual cam unit, which is pretty small. It also has a screen for to view while it's recording and a couple of buttons here, and we'll get to know about this button when we will install this in our car. And this is the main camera sensor. So let's keep this aside and check out other stuff. So this is the 3mm sticker and the camera module jack. On this the camera will sit like this. So this is how this will stick. Let's see what else. So there's the manual. So this is the electrostat sticker which we need to stick on the glass of the car, the windscreen, and then this 3mm sticker will be stick on this. So this is how it's gonna stick on the car windscreen. And manual mein this is the basic things about the installation and function. We'll keep it aside. Then what else is in the box? There is a 12-watt socket, lighter socket with the USB port for the power cable. This is this. And the next last thing is the power cable. So this is the power cable, and काफ़ी लेंथ इसकी काफ़ी अच्छी है. So I think it will be easy to fit in the car. But I am a bit disappointed that it has only Type B socket for the power on the camera, and I was hoping कि at least Type C होना चाहिए था, but nevertheless. So that's all in the box of 70 mi dash cam. So this is how the box and the camera looks, and in the next vlog we'll showcase you how to install, and we'll showcase the whole installation process of this dash cam, and we'll showcase you the camera quality and the video recordings of this particular camera. And one last important thing, that this camera doesn't come with the memory card. You need to buy it separately, and the maximum capacity it supports is 64 GB. And I will say that please use class 10 as mentioned on the official website of 70 mi. So that is a good setup with this camera with the card reader. So that's all from this, and I'll share the description from where I bought this camera in India through online, and the price for this camera lastly is it costed me 41.99 Indian rupees. And that's all for this vlog. Thank you all, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.